Hey there, I'm Jeannie.
And I'm Lily.
And we're going to show you how to make a seasonal sniffle balm. By keeping our systems balanced, there's no need for antihistamines or the added side effects. All you need is 4 vitality oils and some clear vegetable capsules. Lemon oil eliminates toxins from our body. Lavender provides calming effects to the cells. Peppermint balances our digestive system. Copaiba supports our inflammatory system. 3 drops of each vitality oil in a capsule is all it takes. Close the top and then you're done. Not all oils are created equally. It's best to know where they came from. Because of Young Living's promise of purity, the FDA has approved an entire line of vitality oils for ingestion.
I'm so glad I can enjoy soccer without sneezing the whole time.